Unlocking time with prepositional phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we'll explore the wonderful world of prepositional phrases, specifically how they can help us express time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use prepositional phrases effectively to communicate temporal concepts in English. Before we delve into our main topic, let's quickly recap what a prepositional phrase is. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and is usually followed by a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase. These phrases act like adjectives or adverbs. They modify other words by providing more information. For example, in the sentence, "The cat sleeps on the bed," is a prepositional phrase. Now that we've refreshed our understanding of prepositional phrases, let's focus on how they can represent time. When a prepositional phrase indicates time, it helps describe when something happens. Prepositions such as in, at, on, during, and for are often used to construct these phrases. For instance, "I will meet you at 5 o'clock. She was born in 1990. We play soccer on Sundays. He read a book during the flight. They have been studying for 2 hours." Each of these examples uses a prepositional phrase to tell us when an event occurs or occurred. One tricky aspect of using prepositional phrases to indicate time is selecting the appropriate preposition. While it may seem daunting at first, practice and familiarization can make it easier. Let's look at some general rules. Use at for specific times, like at 7 p.m. or at lunchtime. Use on for specific days or dates, like on Monday or on my birthday. Use in for longer periods like months, years, seasons, or parts of the day, such as in July, in 2022, in summer, or in the morning. Use during to indicate something happening within a period or event, as in during the movie. Use for to denote a length of time something has been happening, like for 2 hours or for a long time. Remember, these are general guidelines, and like many things in English, exceptions exist. And that's a wrap. With these rules in mind, you're now equipped to use prepositional phrases to indicate time effectively. Practice them in your daily conversations and writings, and they'll become second nature in no time. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar topics. As always, keep practicing, and happy learning.